Welcome back to Buy Smart, the only channel where we give you the lowdown on products you didn't know you needed and probably still don't. Today, we're diving into the steam cleaning showdown of the century. In the left corner, we have the Bissell PowerFresh Vac and Steam All-in-One Vacuum. And in the right corner, it's the Shark Steam and Scrub All-in-One Scrubbing Hard Floor Steam Mop S8001. Who will reign supreme in the battle for cleaner floors? Let's find out. First up, let's tackle the elephant in the room. Price. The Bissell comes in at a cool $185, while the Shark is a budget-friendly $139. Reviewers of the Bissell appreciated its value for a 2-in-1 vacuum and steam mop, despite some minor flaws. Meanwhile, Shark users also highlighted its affordability and effectiveness, making it a great option for those on a budget. If you want to save some cash for that next vacation, or maybe just more cleaning supplies, Shark might be your pick. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of functionality. The Bissell is a multitasking marvel. Vacuum and steam your floors at the same time. Reviewers found this feature extremely convenient for cleaning their wood floors, significantly reducing cleaning time. On the other hand, the Shark is praised for scrubbing while you sip your coffee, with users appreciating its ability to handle various messes effectively. It's like having a personal trainer for your floors. Tough on stains, gentle on floors. Speaking of sanitation, both these bad boys claim to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Reviewers of the Bissell noted that it does a great job, similar to a Swiffer, although it may not be super powerful. In contrast, Shark users highlighted its sanitizing feature as a major benefit, providing peace of mind by effectively eliminating germs. Just remember, folks, when it comes to sanitizing, read the instructions. Otherwise, you might end up just making your floors wet. Let's talk steam modes. The Bissell has easy-touch digital controls, which sounds fancy, like it's about to start a spaceship. Users love this feature for its convenience. Meanwhile, the Shark offers 3 steam modes: light for quick cleanups, normal for everyday messes, and deep for when you accidentally drop an entire lasagna on the floor. Reviewers appreciate these adjustable settings, making it versatile for different cleaning needs. Let's just say, if your floor looks like a spaghetti western, the Shark's got you covered. And what about user experience? The Bissell has a powerful cyclonic vacuum that captures dirt effectively, although some users mentioned difficulty maneuvering. Meanwhile, Shark boasts LED headlights, which are particularly appreciated as they illuminate dirt and make cleaning easier. Reviewers have praised Shark's lightweight design and ease of use, making it ideal for those recovering from injuries or just wanting a simpler cleaning experience. Imagine using this at night. It's like a cleaning rave in your kitchen. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses based on user reviews. The Bissell PowerFresh is celebrated for its multitasking capabilities and reliable sanitation, while the Shark Steam and Scrub is favored for its affordability, ease of use, and effective scrubbing power. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your specific cleaning needs and budget. So who wins the battle of the steam cleaners? If you want the all-in-one approach with some serious vacuuming power, go for the Bissell. But if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option with some scrubbing flair, the Shark is your best friend. At the end of the day, whether you choose the Bissell or the Shark, just remember, clean floors lead to a clean mind, and maybe fewer arguments with your partner about who left the crumbs on the floor. Thanks for tuning in to Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.